Hi, welcome to NetSet OS. Today in this video we will discuss about OS module and we will see its usages with lots of examples. So let's get started. OS module stands for operating system, and the interesting thing is OS module provides various functions for interacting with operating system. So let's go to CMD. So for going into OS things, I need to write Python, and here first I need to import os.name, so as to know the name of my OS dependent module which is imported over here. So when I press enter, it will give NT. NT is the OS name for Windows. If the same thing I have applied in Ubuntu, it will return POSIX, the current directory. So for that I can write directly os.get CWD. CWD stands for current working directory, and here it will return the current directory of mine where I have opened this CMD. Now I want to change my directory. So for that I can use os.chdr, ch for change, and will put over here to the location where I want to change. And when I check over here current working directory, it will give C directory as it has changed its mode. Now I want to make a directory. I'll go to the same place, and here I'll write os.make directory, make for mkdir, with the name new. Now let's check it whether this directory has been made or not. Here I am on projects and a new directory has been made. Now I want to remove this directory. So for that I will write os.rmdir and the name of my new directory. The new folder will be removed. Now I want a folder within folder. So for that I can simply write os.makedirs, make directories, and here I want to give new/new2. You can see a new directory over here, and when I click on this, there is another new directory with new2. Now I want to know all the directories which have been used in this particular folder. So I can simply write os.listdir, list directories. So when I press enter to it, it will give me all the folders which I used over here. Let's check it out. And if I want to clear my current screen, I can write over here clear is equal to lambda : os.system in braces CLS for clear screen. So when I write over here clear, it will clear the screen of command prompt. Now I want to know all the directories which are used in OS. So I can write dir os. Let's say I want to know whether this particular directory exists or not. So I can simply write over here os.path exist, whether C directory exists or not. So here it will return in Boolean true or false. So whenever you are asked about OS module, you can tell all the functions which are used with respect to OS.